Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video you are going to learn how to create a course and sell your course by using Systeme. I'll show you everything in a step-by-step process, so watch this video till the end. And if you haven't signed up to Systeme till now, then I have a referral link in the description of this video. You can sign up through that link and you will be eligible to get this Systeme full course that I have made, where you can learn several things that are related to Systeme. Also, just by using the link that is in the description, you will immediately get all of these policy pages which you can edit and reuse according to your need. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. In order to create a course, firstly you need to hover your mouse over product and sales, and then you can click on this courses and you will reach at this interface, and then you can simply click on add new course. Now you can give your course a name, let's say my first course, and then you can type a description what this course is about, and then you can choose a domain from here whichever you want to use. Okay, and then you can change the path of this course, sorry, this URL, my first course. So now you can simply select the theme of the course, either you would like it to be green or any other color. So let's select purple, and then this is the font that will be used in your course. It is okay to just use this font, okay, default font, and you can simply type your name at here in instructor name, and you can put a logo. Now if you click on here and see, this logo will be displayed on the left side in the top menu of your course. Similarly, if you click on here and see, this image will be displayed in the students library. So if you don't know what student library is, then this is the student library. Let me show you. This one is the student library. So this is the image that this one is showing, and after that, if you have any custom code, you can simply put that at here and leave it as it is. So module titles for student. Okay, and then you need to also select the sales page which you will need to attach to the course, which we will do after some time after creating this course. Firstly we'll create our course, and then only we will create a sales page and connect it to our course. Okay, so now after doing this much, you can simply click on save, and now here you can see my first course. Now if you do a preview, then you'll see this, your course will look like this. Now if you need to change anything at here like color, these things, okay, you can simply do it by clicking on, let's say, in this setting. Now if you don't like purple, then you may want to make it intense purple, and click on save, and then let's preview it again. So this is fine. So in here you can see the top left image that I was talking about at here. So if you put that image at here, then it will appear, I think, in this way here. So now after doing this much, simply click on add module. Okay, firstly there will be a module. You can understand module as a chapter, okay, main chapter, and then you can add several lectures in that module. So firstly click on add module and give your first module a name. So let's say in my let's say this is step 1, and then click on save. So now you can add a lecture here. So simply click on add lecture, and then let's give the introduction. Okay, so 1 point introduction, you can simply type it. And then if you want to delay the lecture, like when people purchase, then after you can read it, not applicable if student has full, I mean it is for drip content. Okay, so let's say you want to release first lecture in first day, second lecture in second day, that kind of stuff if you want to do, you can do. Okay, now let's just make it 0. Okay, and then let's select any template from here. It doesn't matter whichever you select. Let's click on save. So now see, this is the default theme of the course, I mean lecture, that you have selected. If you want to use it, you can, but generally I just delete all these. Okay, and then I put a heading firstly, and then video. Where is video? Here is. Then I'll put right below this video, and then below that video I'll put a button. Okay, and then yeah, if you need to put some text above that button, you can do it in this way. Okay, and if you think this gap is a little bit used, then you can simply click on here and reduce this top padding and reduce it to maybe 15 or 10. Okay, and click on save. And then so let's type title here, and then here just click on this setting. Okay, and if you want this video to play automatically, then turn it on. Okay, if not, you want to give controls that people can directly play, stop, that kind of thing, then you can simply click on here turn on. Okay, and then click on save changes. Similarly, if you want to make this title a little bit big, then you can simply select H1, it will be big. Okay, and then scroll below. If you let's say in some lecture, if you don't need this, then you can simply delete it. If you don't need some button, you can delete it. Okay, if you think this is too close, simply click on this setting and scroll below, and in margin you can make it 10. In this way you can give a gap. Similarly, you can click on here in button, and if you think this button is small, then you can simply scroll below, and in button width give it fill width. Okay, and then scroll below and you can delete this soft text. Okay, and say click here to get something. Okay, you can type, and then let's make it capital. It doesn't seems nice in small. Get something. Now scroll below, and if you need to put any icon, icon selector before text if you want here, and after text if you want to put at here. Okay, so let's put in after. Select it, scroll below, and let's put this one. Okay, it will look like this, and you can click on save changes. So now if you need to add let's say image or anything extra, you can just pull it and add at here. Okay, let's delete it, it doesn't look nice. Similarly, let's say if you need to add 2 buttons at here, then what you can do is you can pull these 2 columns below it, and then let's say let's duplicate this one and pull it to here. Okay, again duplicate this one and pull it to here. Okay, in this way you can put, and then you can delete this button and make this 2 button. Okay, you can play with these things. Delete this. Okay, once everything is done, then click on save. and click on this one. So now you have added one lecture, but it is still not visible. Okay, if you just preview it, you can see that lecture will not be shown at here, because you need to click on this green publish button. Okay, so once you do this much, then if you preview, you'll be able to see that. Okay, at here. Now again, if you need to edit this introduction, you can simply click on here and change anything at here. Just let's say you want to put intro only, and then again click on here and change here title intro, let's say 1 point intro. Okay, you want to put. Now if you need to upload a video, simply click on here, and if you have a YouTube link, you can simply select direct link and put YouTube link at here. Okay, YouTube video link. If you want to use a video with a custom embed code, then you can simply select that and click on edit code and paste it at here. Okay, similarly, if you want to upload a file, you can simply click on upload a file. Okay, and then click on here, and either you can click on select file and upload from your PC, or you can simply select any video that you have previously uploaded and put that video at here. So let's say I'll use one video. Okay, let's put this one and click on insert. So now this video will look like this. Okay, and anyone who watches this lecture can simply click on play and watch. Let's click on save and do a preview. So now as you can see, so it looks like this is a module, this is a lecture. Simply click on, and if now someone come and simply click on play and play this video. Okay, it is as simple as that, and it will look like this. Now if you want to make some changes, you can edit it. Okay, simply at here. Okay, now once you do this much, simply click on save changes and click on exit. Okay, so now you need to add another lecture. Okay, now you can simply click on this duplicate lecture. Simply click on duplicate. Okay, and then into it was by a domain. Okay, now you can simply click on here and say to buy a domain and click on save changes. So now let's say now you need to edit the page. Now you can click on edit and then simply type here by a domain in this way. Now you can simply click on here and click on upload a file. Click on here and select a file from your device, or select any file that is already at here and click on insert. Okay, in this way you can simply click on save change, or if you, let's say in this lecture you don't need a button yet here because there is no link to put at here, then you can simply delete this. Okay, if you don't need to put this text, simply delete this text. Okay, and then click on save changes and click on this. So now let's say now if you need a lecture with button and those text, then you can duplicate this one. If you need a lecture without button and text, you can duplicate this one. So for now, let's just duplicate this, and again you can edit everything that I have shown you. Now you can add another module. Okay, just click on, this was step 1, chapter 1. Now you can click on add module and can start step 2. And step 2 would be Systeme integration. Okay, let's say integration. Okay, and click on save. So now here is the module. Now you have 3 lectures at here. Okay, now you can simply again duplicate a lecture from here and then just pull this lecture below. Sorry, you can firstly you need to click on here. Okay, and then you can pull this lecture at here. Okay, now you can say this is a 4th lecture, and what would be the topic for this? Connecting the domain. Let's say connect domain. Now you can click on save. Okay, and again same thing, you can simply edit the name, or you can simply click on here and edit all the lecture and again click on duplicate and keep on adding. So in this way you can keep on adding lecture. Once everything finished, again do a preview and you can see your course will look like this. Okay, okay, so once your course is ready, then now it's time for you to create a sales page, a sales funnel to sell this course. Okay, now we'll do that. So now your course is ready. Now to create a sales funnel, simply click on funnels and then click on create. Let's say my first course funnel. Okay, and then you can select the domain and select this, sell a product or service, and the currency that you want to charge your customer. Now you can simply click on create. So now you can see there are 2 things it is showing. One is order form, another is thank you page. Now you can select order form from any one of these. Okay, whichever you want, just select it. Let's see which you can select. Okay, let's select this one. So this is a checkout page. Okay, so once you see this kind of order form, then you can change the URL at here. Okay, URL path at here, and then in resources, firstly click on add and click on here and select a resource. So resource would be your course that you just created. Okay, simply click on that course and then choose course. That was my first course that you have just created, and choose course SS type. If you want to give drip content, like in one day one lecture, another day another lecture, third day another lecture. Okay, if you want to do that, you can select it. But if you want to give a full access, you can select this. So for now we'll just select full access. So now whoever purchase this course by using this order form will receive this course automatically. Okay, you don't need to do anything. You can grant access on a specific date, like if you want to sell something on let's say January 1, but if you have started to collect money from like December of previous year, then you can just turn on and give a specific date. Or you can also select this expedition delay. I don't know what it is. You can simply click on here. These are, I think, not so much essential for you or me now. But you can still, okay, click on here and read access to the course will be cancelled after this delay starting from the date of purchase. Okay, this is something like that. Now in price plan, the amount and frequency of the payment. Now you can simply click on add and it's time to decide the price. Okay, now if you already have a price plan created, then you can select anything at here that was previously created in this way. Okay, or you can simply click on create a new one. Let's create a new one. Let's say inner price plan used in dashboard. Okay, let's say my first course dollar 197, and price plan name used in payment page in order form. Okay, you can use similar type of name. And in statement, in bank statement of the customer. Okay, when customer make a purchase, a short description about the purchase. Okay, like let's say first course, in this way you can write anything, or you can, I think, you give a space also. Okay, at here this will appear in the statement of your customer, and then select price plan. And let's say if you want to select one shot, like one payment, then it is fine, you can select here. If you want to give a subscription based pricing, like they will pay for month after month, then you can select this one. And if you have a payment plan like 2 payment, 3 payment, you can select it. For now we'll select one shot, and then payment amount. So our payment amount would be $197, and click on save. Okay, so now our course price is also fixed. Okay, now you can simply click on save. Okay, for now let's ignore about this affiliate commission and payout detail. We'll talk about it after some time. Firstly, let's finish this. So now our order forms setting is, everything is fine. Now you can edit this order form. Okay, let's edit here. Okay, now if you don't need anything, you can simply delete. Okay, like this company name, individual company, why I don't need these things. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. First name, last name, email is fine, credit card, PayPal, and here is the pricing. Okay, 30 days money gap guarantee, this kind of thing you can edit. You can put let's say if it is too long, you can simply delete these things if you don't want to put. Okay, you can delete from here also if you don't need this, and you can simply type at here in this way. Okay, once you make these edits, okay, you can put your email at here, you put your logo at here. Simply click on here and bring your logo. You can play with these things. Okay, and simply click on save changes. So about all of these checkout page, I have talked about in a little bit in depth in my this system. I have full course, like creating order form, order bomb, that kind of things I have talked about in this course, which you can learn by getting access to that course. Okay, but for now let's keep it simple and just leave it as it is. Okay, and click on save changes and click on this exit. Okay, now our order form is ready. Okay, whenever someone purchases from this order form, they will instantly get access to this course. Now it's time for us to edit our thank you page. Let's select thank you page, and let's see which thank you page would be good. Okay, thank you for your order, this would be good. Now you can change this URL and simply click on edit. And then here you can see thank you for your order product. So this will be automatically populated. Okay, so someone purchase and come here, then they will see the actual price, that is $197 at here. Okay, and you can see you will receive your login information by email in few seconds. But before you go, join our Facebook group, or watch this video, any other sales video if you have, you can redirect them to you, like say watch this video. and then you can select it and click on here and put the link to the video and click on this one, and it will be saved at here. Now someone will see, they will simply click on here. Now let's click on save change. Now here you can see button. If you don't need it, you can delete it, okay, or you can edit this button also by simply clicking on here setting, and what URL this button will go, you need to put that URL and open in same window or open in new window that you can select, okay. You can play with these things, and then once everything is finished, you can simply click on save changes and exit. Now it's time for us to create a sales page, okay. No one will just come to your order page and order your course or whatever you are selling, okay. You need a sales page, so simply click on create step, and let's say my first course sales page, and click on here and scroll below and click on sales page, okay, and click on save. So now always sales page will be at the top. So firstly people will visit to sales page, and then if they like, they will click on the bottom and visit to this order page, order form, and then they will put their payment info and buy your product, and then they will reach to the thank you page, which is as simple as that, okay. Now let's select sales page. You can select any sales page, okay, but let's keep it simple and let's select this one. So now you can change this URL or type anything other if you want to put it at here, okay, and then click on this edit. Now let it open first. Now see, if you don't need a video here, you can simply delete this video, okay, and put an image instead of this, okay. That is not a big deal, it's your choice, okay. Now if you want to edit your headline, just edit it, my first course to achieve this result, and then put a little bit description, or if you don't need here this, delete it. If you don't need this, delete it, okay. And if you want to let's say put an what you want to put is this bullet list. So wherever this dark blue appears, you can leave it at there and it will appear in this way. Now if you want to make this appear in the middle, where it is, you can pull this, especially for these bullet points, okay. But let's leave it in here, okay. It is nice at here, and type anything in the bullet, whatever you want to type, you can put anything. So now after this, let's say you want to put a image, pull that image at here, and again let's say if you want to put some text, just put it, and then here in bottom just click on this setting, okay. And always remember you need to click on here and next step URL, okay, so that whenever someone clicks on this, then they will reach to the order form, okay. So let's click on save. You can also use a sales video. If you know how to create a sales video, that would be extremely awesome for your course, okay, because people will more people are more likely to watch the video and know about the product and services that you are offering instead of reading, okay. People do read also, but you need to create a good sales page for that, okay. And you can play with these things and create a sales page, and then once all of this is finished, if you want to remove this page, simply click on setting, scroll below and deselect this one, okay. If you want to put some tracking code, you can simply click on here and put your Facebook pixel, Google Analytics code, whatever. And if, as you can see, title. So if you just, let's click on save changes and do a preview, you can see here it will show my first course, that is this one. Okay, you can change it at here and it will also change at here. Okay, so now after creating this sales page, simply click on this exit and your sales funnel is also ready, basic sales funnel to sell your course. Okay, now what you can do is now you can let's go to course first. Okay, now we can create a marketplace offer, okay, so that affiliate can sell our course. Let's click on this, my first course. So this is the course, and here you can click on setting. So we have, here you can see we haven't assigned a sales page at here, but you can now select this my first course funnel. Okay, in this way it is not necessary to just select at here, because we have already did everything previously. Okay, it is not necessary, but still if you want, then you can do it and then click on save changes. Okay, so now let's go to funnel and click on my first funnel. Let's go to order form. Now in affiliate commission, let's say you want to give 40% to whoever brings sales to your course, and a minimum delay should be 30 days. You can also make it 45 if you want, and then you can simply click on save. Okay, now let's select at here and click on this create marketplace offer. So let's say first understand what marketplace is. So let's say here you can see the marketplace. So there are lots of affiliate offer in info products or wish template software. Okay, so now these offers are kept here so that any affiliate can come here and get their affiliate link and promote this product. Okay, so that you also can create this kind of marketplace offer so that other people can come and promote your course. To do so, you can simply click on create a marketplace offer and then keep the offer name, that is your course or your product name, and then type description what this course is about. It is necessary. Okay, as you can see here, red asterisk is here, and choose a category which that is info product if you are selling a course. And what image you need to put, simply select here. This image is used as a preview when someone shares a link to the offer on social media. Okay, so that means it is like a preview image of your product. So if you have an opt-in page to promote, you can simply select the opt-in page. If you have a sales funnel step, we have just created a sales funnel, you can simply click on here and click on this my first sales page. Okay, and info page, you can create a info page about the product and select that at here. Okay, once you do this much, then you can simply click on save. Okay, save. I'll not save it because I'm not going to create this marketplace offer. And once it becomes visible in marketplace, then any person can come and promote your product easily, and if they are able to bring the sales, they will get a 40% affiliate commission, and that payout will be holded for 45 days, and after that they will be released. If these are refunded, if someone buys and refund, then that affiliate will also not get anything and you will also not get anything. Okay, so in this way these things work. So if you have any confusion about all of this process that I have shown you, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you haven't signed up to the Systeme, then you can use my referral link to sign up to the Systeme, and you'll get all these policy pages and my full course on Systeme. Okay, where I have shown everything in more detailed way, and I will be constantly upgrading these lectures that are available in this course, that is Systeme full course. Okay, so now it's time for me to take a leave. Do like this video if and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.